Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.80. Watching 10 Google ads, you can earn over $18.
In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $1.80 per Google ad watched. Now this video is going to be comprised of 3 parts. Part number 1 is an overview of what the original YouTuber says we should do. Part number 2 are a few reasons why this may not work for you. And part number 3 is how much I made after trying this for over an hour. If you've seen the original video, or maybe you're just curious if it's really possible to make $1.80 per Google ad watched, make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I help new YouTubers monetize their new YouTube channel without following the YouTube Partner Program or needing 1,000 subscribers. I've been creating content on the internet for almost 10 years now, so I know exactly what it takes to be successful and start an online business. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, I saw this video pop up on my YouTube For You homepage, and I like to test these types of videos to learn what is real and what isn't real. And so I watched the video, and the YouTuber says that we basically need to go to this website, which I will reveal at the end of the video. We need to create a free account. We need to go over to earn and then find these Google ads to watch. It really is as simple as that. And once we watch the ads, we can make $1.80. One of the biggest red flags is if it's easy, it usually doesn't pay a lot of money. If we could watch one Google ad and make $1.80, we could watch hundreds or thousands and essentially never have to go to work again. So to be honest with you, it's a bit of a red flag to start out, but I pushed through and I tested it for myself. Let's go ahead and jump into part 2, which is a few reasons why this may not work for you. First and foremost, when I went over to the website, there weren't any Google ads for me to try. Now, the video that I watched was only a month old, so you would think that there would still be Google ads available. So quite frankly, this probably won't work for you because I wasn't able to find Google ads. So what I did instead is I watched YouTube videos hoping to make $1.80 or something similar. Another reason why this may not work for you is that you actually get paid in jump coins or jump tasks, and you need to have 0.5 jump tasks in order to get paid out. And again, when the payout is really, really low, usually that's a red flag for me and others like me that this probably isn't the best opportunity, but I pushed through. Now, if you do the math, 0.5 jump task comes out to less than 1 penny. And so I don't know about you, but spending hours of my time to make a penny just isn't worth it for me. There are tons of other things that you could be doing on the internet, as simple as creating TikTok videos or YouTube shorts or even long form YouTube videos to make much more money. And by my calculation, in order to reach the minimum payout, you need to complete 56 tasks if each task was worth 0.00886 cents, which is the average for the type of videos that I was able to watch, once again because the Google ads weren't available when I tried this method. Now again, a huge concern of mine was the videos that I was able to watch, they were worth 0.00886 cents, which again is less than a penny. I don't know about you, but my time is worth much more than less than a penny. And so if you kind of just do the math on this, in order to make the minimum payout of $1.80, which the original content creator claims that we can make, you would have to complete about 204 tasks. Now for me, each task, because they were YouTube videos, took at least 10 minutes. And so I don't know about you, but I'm not willing to sit around literally hours at a time, and in some cases days at a time, in order to make $1.80. Another issue that I ran into is that when you go to click on a task, a pop-up will appear and it'll give you directions. At the very bottom of that pop-up, it actually says that your final payout will vary based on some unknown, unforeseen market conditions. This could be a huge concern because you could be expecting to get paid 0.00886 cents, but then it turns out you actually get paid 0.0000886 cents, which would be even less worth my time. The final red flag that I saw, or concern that I had, was I don't actually know if I completed the tasks, because when you find a task that you want to complete, you click on it, and then you click on Start Task, but it never tells you when the task is actually completed. It does tell you that some of the tasks are in progress, and I did complete the requirements, which oftentimes is watching a YouTube video, but it never said completed or done, which is a huge concern of mine. Now let's go ahead and get into part 3, which is how much I actually made. Now I did this for about an hour. I watched probably 5 or 6 different videos on YouTube, which is another red flag that maybe I'll talk about later. But if we take a look at my computer, I'll show you exactly how much I made. All right, so here's the website. I'm actually going to blur it out because I don't think you should waste your time at this website. There are so many better opportunities out there for you to try and make money online. Oftentimes people will try and rush to these quick fixes, and these quick fixes actually take longer than it would take to do something else, like create a Pinterest pin or start a blog or start a YouTube channel or create short form content. You could even start a Facebook group and start getting members in faster than you would make any substantial money using this website. So if we take a look at my earnings here, you can see that my earnings are 0. I'm going to refresh this and it doesn't change. If we go back over to earn, I will show you that I tried to complete a number of them. You can see my task started. If we click on view all, you can see there's a number of them here that I started and I just never got any rewards for. So if I were you, I would stay 100% away from this opportunity. This opportunity doesn't make sense for you. What I would recommend that you do instead is I would recommend that you play the long game. Look for something that has the potential to pay you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week while you're not actively working on it. In the year of 2024 and 2025 going forward, there's going to be a major emphasis on content creation and being a content creator. What I'd recommend that you do is identify what you want to be known for, pick a niche, and then identify the questions, comments, and concerns that your target audience has. Once you've identified them, create content to solve those problems. How-to content works out very well. Product-focused content actually works out very well as well. And when you do that, you have multiple opportunities to make money. You can make money with affiliate marketing, you can make money with digital products, and yes, you can even make money with the YouTube Partner Program, assuming you meet those minimum requirements. Doing these things is a much more profitable way to make money than trying to go to a website or watching a YouTube video that's telling you you can make money quickly, you can get rich quickly, and ultimately it's not going to work. You're going to wind up being more frustrated, you're going to wind up wasting your time and spinning your wheels, and you are going to think that making money on the internet is a scam. When in reality, people that make money on the internet, make money online, they understand that it's all about the long game. It's all about creating content. It's all about learning a skill. Maybe you learn Facebook ads and either you start running Facebook ads for yourself or you run Facebook ads for other people and you start an agency. If you can learn a skill, you can make money online. And the more skills that you learn, that you stack on top of each other, the more money you'll make online. It's tried, true, it's proven, and I would encourage you to do that. Now, if you want to learn a different skill on how to make money online, I've got a few videos. Watch this video next because it'll help you to learn a skill so that you can make money online.